Hello, in this video I am going to explain one experiment on sampling technique. So the name of this experiment is analog signal sampling and reconstruction. So there is basically three methods for sampling analog signals. So here in this video I am going to explain one method that is sampling technique by sample and hold circuit. So there is for doing this experiment we need some apparatus. These are some sampling kit. There is this we need sampling kit, then DSO, digital storage oscilloscope, then some props for DSO, patch cord, and some power supply. So first I will see how what do you mean by sampling. So sampling is basically there are two types of signal. One is called analog signal, which is a continuous type of signal, and another is the digital signal that is discrete in nature. So to convert a signal from continuous to discrete, we are doing a process. That process is called sampling. So again after converting to a digital signal, we can reconvert the digital signal to an analog signal by using a reconstruction circuit. So this is our connection diagram for doing the sampling by the method of sample and hold circuit. So in this diagram we are observing that there is one function generator, then a buffer circuit, then we need the sample and hold circuit, which will be triggered by a clock circuit. Again at the end there is a filter circuit to filter the noise or something else. So these are the expected waveform. First one is the waveform for the input circuit, and second one is the waveform for the clock, and the last one, that is the third one, that is the output of a sample and hold circuit. Again that sample and hold circuit output will be filtered, and basically in the last wave it shows the filtered output waveform. This is the connection diagram for a filter for doing the sampling by sample and hold circuit. This is the connection diagram for it. So there is so many connections, but by following the connection diagram, we can easily connect this circuit. So after doing the circuit, we will get the waveform like this. So in the DSO the waveform will be showing. So from the DSO we have to trace the waveform. So these are the waveform. After doing the experiment we will get such kind of waveform. So here it shows the input wave as well as the clock signal. Next is the sample and hold wave output, and finally it shows the filter output waveform. So this is the way how we get how we can do the sampling of an analog signal by the method of sample and hold circuit. So thank you everyone.